A baby sea turtle may crawl into the ocean on one small beach. Then it can spend 20, 30, or even 40 years traveling through the open sea. It may cross thousands of kilometers of water with no roads, no signs, and no map. Then, as an adult, the turtle can return to lay eggs near the same beach where it was born. This sounds impossible. The ocean is huge. Waves change. Storms push animals off course. Beaches can look almost the same. But many sea turtles still find their way back. So why do sea turtles return to the beach where they were born? How can they find one stretch of coast after decades at sea? And what hidden map do they carry inside their heads? First, picture the start of a turtle's life. A mother turtle comes onto a beach at night. She digs a hole in the sand. She lays many round eggs. Then she covers the nest and returns to the sea. The mother does not stay to feed the babies. She does not show them where to go. The eggs sit under warm sand for weeks. Then the baby turtles hatch. They dig upward together. When they reach the surface, they see the bright open sky over the sea. They crawl toward the water as fast as they can. But when adult females are ready to lay eggs, many return to their birth area. This is called natal homing. Natal means birth, homing means going home. But how do they find it? The best answer scientists have is Earth's magnetic field. The magnetic field is not exactly the same everywhere. Each part of the coast has its own magnetic pattern. The strength can change from place to place. The angle of the magnetic field can change too. You can think of it like a hidden address in the ocean. A turtle born on one beach may learn the magnetic address of that place when it is very young. It may keep that pattern in its memory for many years. Then, when it is an adult, it can use the magnetic field to guide itself back toward that part of the coast. This is called magnetic imprinting. Imprinting means learning something important very early in life and keeping it for a long time. Years later, the adult turtle feels the magnetic field again. The field tells it, you are too far north, or you are too far south. It helps the turtle keep moving toward the right area. It is like having a map inside your body, but the map is made from invisible forces instead of paper. Scientists have tested young turtles in tanks with magnetic fields that copy different parts of the ocean. When the magnetic field changes, the turtles change their swimming direction. This shows that they can use magnetic signs to help decide which way to go. Scientists also looked at where adult loggerhead turtles make nests. Earth's magnetic field slowly changes over time. The hidden magnetic address of a beach can drift a little along the coast. When magnetic patterns from nearby beaches moved closer together, more turtle nests appeared in the same places. When the patterns moved farther apart, the nesting places spread out too. This was strong evidence that sea turtles use magnetic clues to return home. But the magnetic field is probably not the only clue. When a turtle gets close to land, it may use other signals. It may smell chemicals in the water. It may notice waves moving in a certain way. It may see the shape of the coast. It may remember the water temperature or the kind of sand near shore. The magnetic map may get the turtle close. Then small local clues may help it find the best place to nest. But many of them share the same hard problem. How do you find home in a world with no landmarks? The answer may be that the ocean has landmarks humans cannot see. To us, open water can look empty. To a sea turtle, it may hold magnetic lines, water smells, current paths, and light clues. The turtle is not lost. It is reading a world that our eyes cannot read. She may travel thousands of kilometers just to spend a few hours on the beach. Then she returns to the sea again. This is a big risk. A turtle can be hit by storms. It can meet fishing nets. It can be hurt by boats. It can find that its old beach has bright lights, houses, plastic, or fewer safe places to nest. Beach lights can be a serious problem. Baby turtles usually crawl toward the brightest open horizon, which is often the moon and sky over the sea. but lights from homes and roads can confuse them. A baby may crawl inland instead of toward water. A beach may still be in the turtle's magnetic memory, but it may not be safe anymore. This is why protecting nesting beaches matters. Turning off bright lights near nests, keeping beaches clean, and giving turtles space can help the next group of babies reach the sea. But the magnetic field itself changes slowly. Earth's magnetic field is not fixed forever. Its hidden lines move little by little. Turtles seem able to adjust as the magnetic address changes. But fast changes to beaches and oceans can make life harder. The sea turtle is not using a magic power. It is using senses built by many generations of life in the ocean. Its brain can read magnetic clues, its body can swim long distances, its memory can keep a home pattern for decades. This is why the turtle's journey is so amazing. It begins as a baby no bigger than a hand. It crawls into a huge ocean alone. It has no parent beside it, it has no teacher. Yet years later, it can return to the coast where its life began. So why do sea turtles return to the beach where they were born? Because that beach is part of their life map. When they hatch, they may learn the magnetic pattern of home. As adults, they use Earth's magnetic field to find their way back toward it. Then the smell, waves, and shape of the coast may guide them closer. On a dark beach, a large female turtle pulls herself from the water. She may have crossed an ocean to get there. She digs into the sand with her back flippers. Soon, eggs will rest in the same kind of warm sand where she began. Then, she covers the nest and returns to the sea. Years later, her babies may carry the same hidden map into the waves.